What we love about mixing metals in a design is that it can bring depth and character to the overall look. And that's why we're using these two different metals for this bathroom renovation. We're combining a brushed nickel and a brushed gold. What's nice about both of them is that they have warm undertones, so that can unite them compared to, for example, silver or steel, which would be a lot cooler undertone. Now, one of the reasons we're using the gold is also to enhance the beautiful gold veining in this piece of natural stone from Brazil. It's a quartzite which will be used for the bench tops. Now, we can put these metals in quite a few different places in the bathroom. They can go on the tapware, on the basins, on the faucets, in the shower area. They can go on the lighting fixtures. They can even be used on the heated towel rails. But what we have to be careful of is that we have a good balance. We want to have a focal point of one of those metals of around 70%, the other 30 to be the complement. And once we've got that worked out, we should be able to see how mixing metals enhances this whole idea of depth and character.